Hello student, now I will explain chapter 11 which is related your geometrical concept. Okay, so firstly I explain point. A point is a dot made by a sharp point of a pencil. Okay, it is represented by capital letter. Example is here one point are present, so I will give some name point A and their point B. Okay, next line segment. A line segment has two end point here and there, so we can say that it is a line segment. So you note down. Next, ray. A ray is a line which has initial point okay, but no ending point. Here ending point are not present. Okay, understand? So we can say that it is a ray. Next important terms, one and only one line can be drawn through two fixed point. Okay, we can draw one line if present two fixed point. Okay, next, infinite line can pass through a single point. If we draw a line, then we draw in this type, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then we draw infinite line. Okay, understand? Next, what is parallel line? What is intersector line? Parallel line, if two lines are separated same distance throughout their length and they never meet, they are known as parallel line. It represented by this sign. Okay, so here parallel line, here parallel line, here also parallel line. Okay, so some example are related: railway track or railway track, box, etc. Okay, which is related to parallel line. Okay, next, intersecting line. If two line meet at a point or tend to meet if extended, they are known as intersector line. Okay, so here two line are meet in some place. Okay, so it is a intersected line. Here same distance are present, but here not same distance. Okay, here are different distance. Understood? Next, angle. When you open a book or make a V sign, you see a gap. This gap is an angle. If you open book in this type, then you say that, then you see here is a some gap are present, so this gap is called angle. Okay, understand? Next, a figure formed by a joint two ray at them initial point is called an angle. You can write this definition in inverted comma. Okay, next, two ray which are from angle are called arms of angle. Here this is the arms and this is also arms. Okay, next, the 2 point where the ray meet is called vertex of angle. First vertex are present in there. Okay, so you note down. Next, an angle is denoted by symbol this. Okay, so if we explain angle A, then you write here. If you explain angle B, then you write here. What is an interior point? What is an exterior point? Interior point present inside the angle. Okay, and exterior point present outside the angle. So here A and B are interior point and C and D external point. Okay, so you note down. Understand? Next I will explain angle, type of angle. Okay, so what is a acute angle, what is a right angle, what is a obtuse angle, what is a straight angle? So acute angle, an angle whose measure is less than 90 is called acute angle. 90 is this type. So it is a acute angle, 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 it is a acute angle. Which angle less than 90? So we can say that this angle is acute angle. Next, right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called right angle. So you can draw it. This is a 90 angle. Two rays are perpendicular each other. Okay, understand? Note down. Next, obtuse angle and straight angle. Obtuse angle, an angle which measure more than 90 degree but less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Here if we know that 180 is here, so which angle are more than 90 and less than 80, we can say that it is a obtuse angle. Here this is obtuse angle, this is obtuse angle, obtuse angle, this is obtuse angle, this is obtuse angle. Okay, so 180, 135, 145, 160, this angle is called obtuse angle. Okay, understand? An angle which measure more than 90 but less than 180 is called obtuse angle. Next, straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 is called straight angle. So straight angle is always straight. Okay, so if we draw angle 180 is called straight angle. Okay, understand? ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम पे मैं आपको एक्सरसाइज समझाऊंगा. ओके, बाय, थैंक यू.